Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So, there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now, consider two sets 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and B 1, 8, 27. Let a function from A to B such that every element B in B there is at least one element in A such that F A equals to B. Okay. Now, you see this set has 6 elements, right? Okay. 2, this is A, right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. 6 elements here. In set B, we have 1, 8, 27. And basically, f is a function from A to B such that for every element in B, every element B in B, there is at least one element in A. So, you see this function for every element in B, there is at least one element in A. That means, in B there is no element left which is not mapped with a element in A, right. That means, basically we are talking about the onto function, right. Basically we have to find the number of onto function, because for every element B in B there has to be at least one element in A, right. So, nothing is left in the set B, right. So, basically we have to find the onto function. If you have seen our time books, we have this type of questions and the formula for that. Okay. So, we can use the inclusion and exclusion principle, right. Now, so let us find a total function from here. So, 2 can be mapped to this is 3 way, 3 can map to 3 way. So, each element can be mapped here in 3 way. So, this will be 3 to the power 6, let us say minus this one of anyone can be anyone can be unmapped, right. In this it can be this is, so minus 3C1. Okay. So, let us say if anyone is not mapped here. So, let us say this, let us say for example, without loss of generality this is not mapped. So, 2 can be mapped here or here 2 way, this can be 2 way. So, this will be 2 to the power 6, then plus 3 can be unmapped. So, 3C2. Okay. So, if 2 are unmapped, any 2 let us say. So, 3C2 all will map to 1. So, it will be 1 to the power 6, and we will not do the minus all 3 can't be unmapped, there will not be a function. So, this is the answer, right. Okay. So, 3 to the power 6 is 729, minus this 2 to the power 6 is 64 into 3 192, and plus 3C2 is 3, right, and 1 to the power 6 1. So, basically this is 729 plus 3 732 minus 192. So, it will be 0 4 and this will be 5, right. So, 540 is the answer for this, which is option 4. I hope this is clear.